Are you just starting out in gardening and want to grow plants that are easy to care for? Then you have come to the right place, because in today's The Daily Eco video, we're going to talk about 10 easy to care for outdoor plants. Let's get started. CLEMATIS. It is actually a whole genus of fast-growing climbing plants. It has a large number of species and is found naturally in almost any temperate region of the world. In a garden, it resists temperature changes very well and needs little maintenance, the only exception being the fact that it needs a considerable level of humidity. Ivy. It is one of the best known climbing plants and also one of the most used in covering walls and facades. Its only notable care is that some of its species grow so much that it is necessary to control them and to make sure that they're not in direct sunlight. Jasmine. These are outdoor climbing plants and shrubs with white flowers that are just as decorative as they are fragrant. They are not at all exquisite with their care, their only important requirement being that they need abundant light. Palmito. It is a very dense palm tree, short and with a highly developed root system. It's quite resistant and its height does not usually exceed 3 or 4 meters. However, its weakness is frost, which it does not tolerate at all. With that being said, it's one of the easiest to care for outdoor plants that needs little water. Wild cabbage. Despite what you may think, this type of inedible cabbage has enormous decorative value thanks to its leaves in white, pink, and purple tones. It is also called ornamental cabbage, and it supports frost like few plants. It also only needs a rich soil or a supply of fertilizer. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. When does wild cabbage start to bloom? Is it A, summer, B, autumn, or C, spring? Think about it, because at the end of the video, you'll be able to see if you're right. Marguerite. Daisies are especially resistant to the sun. In hot climates, these flowers will hardly need any care. It's only necessary to water them moderately in the warm months, since in winter it will be enough with the rain. Chrysanthemum. These gorgeous flowers are a great way to beautify your garden for very little work, especially in cold or cool climates, though not extreme. The only thing they need is abundant indirect light so that their flowers open, being very showy and fragrant. These flowers reach heights of up to 5 feet. Agave. This is a grass native to Mexico, very resistant to droughts and soils with a lack of nutrients. It is highly valued for its particular rosette shape, so characteristic of the agave, and reaches heights of up to 2 meters. In soil, it does not need irrigation at all, although in a pot it will require some light irrigation. Rosebush. Rose bushes are known for their beautiful, fragrant flowers popular throughout the world, and for their thorns. Despite their popularity, they are easy to grow shrubs that only need plenty of natural light and plenty of watering during their flowering months, especially if we want to see their pretty big roses. They are very suitable for hot climates. Lavender. One of the most popular and appreciated aromatic plants is lavender. Its success is due to its beautiful floral spikes in lilac and violet tones that can be seen throughout the year, and the fresh and pleasant aroma of these flowers, which is used for all types of products. It is exceptionally hardy, tolerating both heat and cold well, and only needs a good amount of light and moderate watering. And going back to the question we had asked you before, have you thought about it? The correct answer is B. The ornamental cabbage begins to bloom in autumn, although it achieves all its beauty in winter. So tell us, are you going to grow any of these plants? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.